taking the set of natural numbers as the universal set, write down the complements of the following set. So what is that they're asking? We are going to take n as the universal set. That is, we're going to have 1, 2 till infinite. So here we have to figure out the complementary of whatever this is. So if I call this as set A, so A dash would be all the values of x such that x is an, since it's an even number, what will be left out? Odd numbers will be left out. So those are our complementary natural numbers. So x is an odd natural number. Okay. Next thing, if I call this as B, so B dash would be such that x is an even natural number. Next thing, x is a positive multiple of 3. So if I call this as C, set C would be made up of 3, 6, 9, so on and so forth. Do you guys agree? Okay. Now C dash would be what? C dash clearly would be 1, 2, not 3, 4, 5, not 6, so on and so forth. So I can write this as x is not a positive multiple of 3 and x belongs to natural number. Right? So they have not mentioned it per se, but yeah, by default you have to make a habit of writing this, x belongs to natural number, real number. Let's make a habit of writing this, even though they have not done it. So by them, they themselves have not done it, but we'll make an habit. See, writing this statement is it's not a big deal, but converting this into something like this is what I want you guys to learn. So what is that I'm doing? First thing first, let me go in a particular order. So x will belong to natural number. Okay, and x should not be in the form of 3n, where n belongs to natural number. So what is that I've written? I'm talking about all the natural numbers. Okay, right, excluding anything that can be written as 3 into n. Does it make sense? So again, I would like you guys to represent in this manner. Both the answers are correct, but I would like you guys to represent in this manner. Next thing, so I'll call this as set D. So D dash would be x such that x is not a prime number. Okay. Next, x is a natural number divisible by 3 and 5. Okay. So I'll call this as E or something. So E dash will be equal to such that x is a natural number. So x will belong to, oh yeah, by the way, what is E? That is first thing that I need to talk to you guys about. What is E made up of in roasted form? It's a natural number, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but given a condition that it is divisible by 3 and 5. What does it mean? Is 3 part of the answer? No, because it's not divisible by 5. So is 5 part of the answer? No, because it's not divisible by 3. Then what it is? It's a multiple of 3 and 5, that is 15. Then what's the next number? 30. What is the next number? 45. What is that we are looking at? We're looking at multiples of 15. So E dash would be, it's a very convenient and easy way to write this. So just have a look at this. X belongs to natural number, first thing, and x should not be equal to multiples of 15, where n belongs to a natural number. So basically what is that we are looking at? Let me code a small code for you guys. So okay, let me do this for you guys. Okay, so this is set of values which is E dash, not E, by the way. Okay, let me put this to be E. First thing is, let me show you guys what is E made up of. So it's made up of 15, 30, 45 till infinite, but I ended up just making till 101, that is 100 basically, right? From 1 to 100, these are the numbers which is divisible by 3 and 15, 3 and 5, that is 15. Okay, basically which is divisible by 15. Now all the values which are not, so we are looking at E naught. So that would be this, and your answer is, so what did I do over here? I told that, okay, that number, if it's not divisible by 0, then it's part of the outcome. So basically all the natural numbers from 1 to 100. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is not there, 16, 17. In the same manner, 30 will not be there. In the same manner, 45 won't be there. Right? You got the difference? So since it is not divisible by 3 and 15, those numbers will be there. Whatever is divisible by 3 and 15 won't be there. Okay? Because E is made up of those numbers, E dash will be made up of not those numbers. So you guys got the, I think, yeah, I mean, I might not have made sense, but you guys are making sense of what I'm trying to tell, right? Okay. So X is a perfect square. So we have this to be, say, F dash would be, let me put it in a better manner. X is that, X is not a perfect square. So all this is quite simple. Similarly, not a perfect cube. I'm not going to write that. This is, yeah, this is something that I want you guys to learn. So I'll call this as, say, A. A is made up of what? A is made up of 3, only 3. Simple single number, 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. That's the only number. Now A dash will be made up of all the natural numbers other than what? Sorry, other than 3. Okay, so it's made up of all the natural numbers other than 3. So this is a representation I would like you guys to understand. Are you getting this? So again, this is very important for us to understand, to represent. This is B. So B would be just 2. Okay. So B dash would be all the natural numbers other than 2. Right? Then this is nothing but all the natural numbers from 7 till infinite. So I'll call this as C. So C dash would be all the numbers from 1 to 6 till 7 actually, excluding 7, that is to 6, including 6. Something like this. Does it make sense? Okay, again, you can write it in roasted form or set builder form, doesn't matter. That is the outcome though. So this is a D. So D, I need to solve D first. It's made up of natural numbers, true. And it is 2x plus 1 is greater than, let me solve that. So 2x plus 1 greater than 10. So we're going to take this. So we're going to subtract and we're going to divide. So basically x greater than 4.5, that is 5, 6, 7, 8. Those are your D. Right? So D is nothing but 5, 6, 7. Does it make sense? Then D dash would be 1, 2, 3, 4. Does it make sense? Right? It is excluding 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm including that over here. And this is your answer. Again, please learn to represent this manner and this manner and the logic behind it. How do you read it and how do you write it?